In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a habit tracker in Notion. If you've ever wanted a simple way to keep your daily routines on track, a Notion habit tracker is a great place to start. We'll build one quickly using Notion's template gallery so you can focus on your habits instead of formatting. All you need is a Notion account open in your browser or desktop app. Begin by creating a fresh page. In your Notion workspace, click the option to create a new page. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later, something like Habit Tracker or Daily Routines. This page will be the home for your tracker and any notes you might add over time. Now, scroll to the bottom of that new page and click Templates. This brings up Notion's built-in options. If you see a prompt to browse more templates, go ahead and click through to open the full gallery. That's where we'll find ready-made trackers you can add in one click. In the gallery, use the search bar and type habit. Press enter and you'll see a range of templates designed for daily check-ins, streak tracking, and routines. Take a moment to explore. Open a few previews to see their layout and read the quick descriptions. Look for a free template that matches your style. Some use a simple checklist, while others organize items in a database with weekly or monthly views. Choose one that feels easy to update every day. Once you've found a good fit, click Add. Notion will ask where to place the template. Select your workspace or the page you just created. The system will import everything automatically, including sample entries and preset views, so you don't have to build the structure yourself. You'll now see the habit tracker inside your workspace. Take a quick tour of what's included. Most templates provide a table or board with habit names, checkboxes or statuses, and dates. Try checking off one habit to see how it behaves. If there's a new button, use it to add your own habits and remove any placeholders you don't need. You can rename items to match your routine, like reading, workouts, or hydration, and adjust colors or icons to make it more motivating. If the template includes multiple views, switch between them to find the one that best fits your daily flow. That's it. Your habit tracker is ready. Keep it simple at first, open it daily, and make small updates as you learn what helps you stay consistent. Thanks for watching and enjoy building a system that supports your goals.